Hey guys, I'm on with a project share and also a craft with project share Make It With Me on one of these boxes. This is the from My Creative Time treat box and button dies. I did not use the buttons so far, but I have used the box. And for this first one, I used her Halloween, I believe it was last year, Creative Time Wicked Whimsy. Sorry for the glare. And also from last year, this is the Spooky Pumpkins ephemera. I don't know if these things are still in there. And I also put in bits and bobs of things like little doilies that I made with her Island doily set that I don't have out because it was already in there. Okay. And I used a spinner. Isn't that fun? Now, I got better at making these boxes, each one. This was my first one I made. I just thought that'd be fun, so I need to make more of these. There's little bat cutouts. And this set here, the layering, comes with the box dies that I used. So very cute. This box, I used a cute little circus theme. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So you get all this ephemera. I'm not going to go through all of it because it's a lot, but let me see what the name. Circus Clown ephemera. And also this pretty paper to go with it. This is this year's pastel. Both of these are from a recent release. Pastel Party 2026. Oh my gosh. Now she's redoing her store, and slowly adding items as she goes. She had a terrible catastrophe on her last release date. Oh my gosh, it was crazy. Okay, anyway, back to this. So I layered again. Look at these cute leaf patooties. So you get this cute little lip, I don't know. Let's see what this measures. So, I mean, you could technically put stuff up to 7 1/4, but if you wanted just the box, it's 5 by 2 3/4. Super cute. And here I layered the pastels. This is a bow I had in my stash. So, and then these cutie patooties on there. And then I took some of this stuff that I had, edges. I did different things with it. So I took that out and put it on there, cut it up and put it on as the bottom. This under this little pony is one of these that goes up here. And I just made it look like a cloud. She needed something to stand on. So there is that one. Oh, and the closure for this is a small Velcro. Super cute. Oh, so happy with that one. Okay, so let's go ahead and make the next one. So the next one I'm going to do, and I'm not an expert on this. I struggle with stuff like this, so you can struggle with me. The struggle is real, but it's really not that hard. It's just me. So I ended up cutting out oh gosh, I should be ready, you guys. I'm so sorry. Back. It was right next to me. I'm using as layering, instead of the layering die, this is such a mess, but this rectangle that comes with the set, I'm changing it up a little bit, and I used this one from Round Oval Dies. There's the number and everything if you're interested. I think this is a recent one. Okay. So I cut everything out because otherwise we'd be here forever. So and I also am choosing from this ephemera, Strawberry Fairy Add-ons ephemera. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Let me show you some of it. She also had these, but I am not using the little fairies. They are adorable too. And I don't know if I'll use this. This is so pretty. Berry Love epoxy stickers. They have kind of I don't know if you can tell, but a black and red, almost like a strawberry. And I got these out in case I want to use them. But this ephemera is so pretty. I'll just show you some of it. Let's move in a little bit here. There we go. And it's cardstock. So it's matte, it's not shiny. Look at this. Strawberry Love. I tell you, I can't let go of the strawberry stuff. Just adorable. So that's just a sampling. I'm not going to go through all of it, or we would be here forever today. But I already chose my pieces, so hopefully this doesn't take 5 hours. Okay, let's get to the box. I'm going to decorate it first. And let's see, I want, this is my front, I think. Okay. Alrighty, so just your basic, I'm going to put that there. And I'm loving the width of this tape for a lot of stuff. It's scrapbook.com, I don't know, 1/2 inch maybe. There's this one. I got a lot of compliments on my shirt in my last Dollar Tree haul. That, my friends, was a iron-on transfer from, and I ordered another one because they don't last forever, to be honest, from Temu. So I had to watch the video again. I was like, did I buy a t-shirt at Dollar Tree? What? I got more than one compliment. I was like, what are they talking about? Anyway, so thank you for the compliment. But yeah, I had to go back and see, make sure I knew what everybody was talking about. And I went, oh, okay, I see. So I'll put that down, and then we're going to layer. Isn't that pretty? So this is the double-sided. Oh, I don't know that I said the Fairy Dust Florals. This is my favorite one, and I'm running out. But I thought, nope, save it for what? I mean, like Michael always says, gotta use it. Quit saving it. And that's kind of what I told myself, but I love that paper. All right, so this is the other side of this dotted paper. So that's nice. It coordinates, right? Easy Schmee. It's like Garanimals. Remember those? Garanimals, yes. Am I in frame? I hope so. Okay. So I'm going to do that there. Now I need to remember that this is going to hang, be like, not hang down, be like this. So I want to make sure, and I'm just going to use the outline one. I'm not going to layer it this time. I just want it like that. Easy schmeezy. But isn't that, I just love the color of that red. Come out with just a pack of that, Emma. Oh, my goodness. And let's see here. So each month she comes out with a new release, and I'm telling you, I have yet to find one I don't like. I usually get the whole darn release. By the time you watch all the designers, oh my gosh. Moe's Creations, and I don't remember all the names. I shouldn't have started listing because there's so many good designers on there. Okay, I'll try to just put in MCT design team, and you'll get a whole slew of people, creative people. See, I can't do that straight. Why can't I do that straight? I'm going to ruin this thing. Okay, hang on. I try not to, with boxes and stuff, folding, do too stiff a paper, because sometimes it's hard to work with them. Move that over a little bit, and let's look. Seems to be straight. We're going to call it good. Okay. All right, so there's that. And you can layer and do, I haven't, the side pieces, the folds and things. I haven't done that. I'm a little lazy when it comes to that. Okay, and I'm just going to, this looks like a tag, but when I put my butterfly on there, it won't look like a tag anymore. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh. So exciting. Get that out of the way. I put a piece of paper down for the glare, so help your eyeballs. Okay, let's go, Kim. This will be pretty quick. The hardest part of this is the putting the box together, which, again, most people would not struggle with that. Just people like me. I'm going to do a pop dot on that. Okay. There we go. I'm going to put it at a little bit of a jaunty angle there. Isn't that pretty? Boom. How easy is that? Oh, her ephemera makes life so easy. And then I'm going to put that down. Okay. Bada bing, bada boom, baby. Let's see here. Okay. See, this will fold together, and this two top will go together, the two tops. Yeah. All right, so next, I learned I should do, yeah. There we go. Okay, so I want to line up this part with this part. But not too close to the edge, because then it kind of boogers up a little bit. Got a glop on the end. I tend to use whatever glue is just close by, and this one has been slowing me down, so I don't know. The smoke is coming over this way, so... And I checked, and it can cause arthritis to flare. I'm like, oh, great, because, boy, my hands have hurt. It's like, okay, well, that's no fun. All right, so, but took some ibuprofen and stuff, so I'm doing better. So now I want to line that up, but before I make it stick too good, I want to make, oh, sheesh, see? All thumbs. Okay, hang on. I want to bend it and make sure I like how it looks that way, if that makes sense. Yep. And I want to look at the front. Yep, that looks good. Okay, woohoo! And then I'm going to do this side here. Come on, Fabri-Tac. Do not need to use Fabri-Tac. I'm just using it. I tend to like to use glue because it gives you more wiggle room. Otherwise, you're kind of pulling it apart and peeling and with tape. That's what I mean. Am I on? Am I in frame? I get so involved in what I'm doing. Okay. And then that will go like this. Come on. Fiddle dee dee here. And then I just kind of take it and pinch it. So I found that doing these sides is way faster. I mean, seriously, yeah, the first one was definitely, I made it way harder. Okay, anyway, then put these in. I don't glue them at all or anything. And then I just glued that down, okay? So you flip in these two little sides, flip that down, put a little, I'm going to do tape on that one. I'm going to do tape. Hang on. Here I go. Hang on. Oh my goodness. Okay. Still in. Okay. And I'm just gonna, you know, I swear to God, I get on here and nope, that's not gonna work. I think I can get my hand, I don't need to get my hand in there. Oh, now it's crooked. Gosh darn it. Okay, hang on. Yeah, don't do what I do. Just press it down. I just moved too much in it. Yeah. There you go. Bada bing, bada boom, baby. That is adorables. Look at that. Isn't that cute? And then I'll put a little Velcro pieces there. All right, I've had these forever. Velcro, by Velcro. Woohoo! Crafting clear thin dots for craft projects. And they're thin and clear. There you go. So, I usually put them together before so you need the soft and the abrasive one together. obviously. Gonna put it right about here. And then I squeeze this. So see, that's got the sticky. That way they line up good. That's my plan anyway. It's like all of a sudden I went, oh, am I recording? Yep, there you go. So they just aren't so bulky. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at this. I'm so happy with it. Okay, but I'm not done. I want to add some. She came out with some different size pearls. Do we want to do a pearl? I think I want to do a heart right there. Getting a message. Oh my gosh. Something in Tori's backpack that my son works in a prison, and it's like some kind of memo or something with a prison logo on it. Oh my gosh. She goes, I hope her teacher knew that her daddy works in a prison. Oh my gosh. Oh boy. Kids. Oh, see? That little something something just adds a little something something. I love it. And I think I'll do a pearl up in the flower up here. Okay. I just end up using these scissors as my, instead of a tweezers usually. Oh yeah. So you just got to add a little dimension somewhere. There we go. Oh my gosh, you guys. So fun. And if you're not a fumble fingers like I am, it'll go to even faster. But real life, right? All right, you guys. Hope you enjoyed. Take care. Bye-bye.